Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove 360 Total Security when it does not appear in Control Panel or Uninstall software list. Sometimes this antivirus hides itself and keeps running in the background. So today I will show you a working method to remove it completely. Let's start step by step. White heavy checkmark step 1. Close 360 Total Security from System Tray. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the System Tray or hidden icons. Here you will see the 360 Total Security icon. Right-click on the icon. Now click on Exit or Close Program. Confirm if any pop-up appears. This will stop the antivirus from running temporarily. White heavy checkmark step 2. Check Windows Security status. Now open Windows Security. You can search Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Here check if 360 Total Security is still showing as the active antivirus. If it is showing, do not worry. We will remove it in the next steps. White heavy checkmark step 3. Stop background processes using Task Manager. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Look for any process related to 360 Total Security. Select the process. Click in Task. Make sure all 360 related processes are stopped. White heavy checkmark step 4. Check Control Panel. Now open Control Panel. Click on Programs and Features. Look for 360 Total Security in the software list. Sometimes it will not appear here. If you do not see it, move to the next step. White heavy checkmark step 5. Check Revo Uninstaller. Now open Revo Uninstaller or any third-party uninstall software. Check if 360 Total Security appears in the uninstall list. If it is not showing here either, then we will remove it manually. White heavy checkmark step 6. Remove from Disk C. Manual removal. Now open File Explorer. Go to C Drive Program Files, x86. Here find the folder named 360 Total Security. Right-click on the folder and delete it. If permission is required, click Continue. Make sure the folder is fully removed. Green circle final step. Restart computer. After deleting the folder, restart your computer. Restart helps remove remaining files and services. Green circle ending. Now 360 Total Security should be completely removed from your system. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.